How to add shadow and stroke effects to text in PixelLab. Want your text to pop and look more professional in PixelLab? I will show you how to add shadow and stroke effects to your text step by step. First things first, launch PixelLab and create a new project or open an existing one. Tap plus in the top left corner, then select text and type your text. Tap on the text box you want to edit. The text option menu will appear at the bottom. Tap A and then select stroke. Toggle stroke on. Adjust thickness and color of the stroke to make your text stand out. Now, to add a shadow, tap shadow in the text menu. Toggle shadow on. Adjust offset X and Y, move the shadow left or right and up and down, blur, color and opacity. You can use stroke plus shadow together for a bold 3D-like effect. Experiment with color, thickness and blur to make the text pop. And that's it. Now you know how to add shadow and stroke effects to text in PixelLab. Perfect for thumbnails, social media posts or creative designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.